I thought I'd do a little video about my tire pressure monitor sensors. So the next clip is just going to be a picture of what they look like because I forgot to do that. I forgot to tell the people that replaced it I wanted the old ones, or at least one, just so I could show you what they look like. So the next clip is a picture of what they look like. Them tiny little things cause you that much aggravation. Okay, Ford engineers, you win. I'm fixing to go replace these stupid freaking low tire pressure monitors. I can't see none of my other information unless I reset. And then every time I hit a bump or start or stop, I have to reset again, and reset again, and reset again. Oh, and it dings. It beep, beep, beep. So it has annoyed me into replacing the low tire pressure sensor. Damn you. Yeah, set this up just right, where each one would go out and give you 6 months of beeping pleasure, and then that one, the battery would finally die, and the next one would start. So for 2 years now, I've been ignoring this low pressure sensor. Oh, believe me, the first dozen times I pulled over to check my tires and realized it was lying. I did not have a low tire. I really am on my way to Sam's in Bossier City to get those tire pressure sensors replaced. But on the way, I've been thinking about something funny. Me and Ricky Wallace are friends, and last night I was talking to him on the phone, and Rick, you know, Wallace Knives. Anyway, a long time ago, he was looking for a CB radio for his truck, and I called him last night because I have, in moving, I come across a bunch of CB radios I had over the years that, you know, if you're a truck driver, you know you've gone through radios. Just the next newest thing with the next newest switch. You got to have it because it's your only toy in the truck. And then cell phones came along. I'm talking about old truckers. So anyway, I ended up with a bunch of old CBs. And Ricky said he had one for his truck, but he needed one for his boat. So I just mailed it to him. And it got me to thinking about last night. And he got a chuckle out of it too. And let me tell you, we do a lot of picking about Ford and Chevys, you know. And the truth is, I like Chevys and Dodge, Ram. I only pick on people that don't have a Ford because I have a Ford. If I had a Chevy, you better believe I'd be picking on Ford owners. So it's just fun, good fun. So anyway, last night I said, Ricky, I'm going to send you this CB, but I can see what's going to happen in your Chevy truck. They're so underpowered. When you key the microphone, your truck is going to slow down. And I just been sitting here laughing my butt off going down the road thinking about that. He thought it was funny too. So I just thought I'd share that. I said, yeah, I can see you going down the road in your Chevy truck, and you pick up the microphone and press the button, and your truck slows down and your headlights dim. Okay, true story. I have no lights, no buzzers, no dinging, no aggravation, no stress. But here's the funny thing. I was sitting in there eating me a Sam's hot dog, and they called me on my phone and said, we can't get your lug nuts undone. So I said, well, I have a lug wrench, so I can break them free for you. Now, I am a large fellow, so maybe I put a little too much torque on them when I tightened them up. Anyway, they had an air wrench that would not break free the lug nuts. And I have a single lug wrench, not a four-way, a single-way, you know, the L-shaped, in my toolbox. So I took it out and had to break free all the lug nuts for them. I couldn't believe it. And they couldn't believe that an old guy could break them free, and they couldn't. And they were all skinny young guys, and they had their own lug wrench, a four-way. And they couldn't do it, and they were amazed that a fat old guy could. Anyway, let's see how long these last. If I can get 7 or 8 more years out of them, I think by then I'll be buying a new truck. This truck is 10 years old, And, you know, I'm shooting for 10 more years because I've got 105,000 on it. And once I get completely moved, my traveling will be limited to, you know, whatever my wife needs doctor-wise, and me a little bit here and there, you know. So I think I can go another 10 years on this. And, or when them damn tire pressure things start telling me to replace them again, I'll just buy a new truck. Here's another one, Black Dog Machine. I did a video. I bought 4 of their 50-round drum magazines, and none of them worked. None of them. So I did a video showing every single one jamming with various brands of ammunition. And their entire family, father, son, daughter, cousins, all of them came to my channel and started leaving really hateful comments defending their piece of crap drum magazines. That's for the Ruger 1022. And they're absolute crap. So I sent all 4 of them back, and they sent me 4 brand new ones. I tried them in 3 different Ruger 1022s with multiple brands of ammunition. That was my second video. Same thing. All of them jammed. And the people denied it. I was doing something wrong. So I did another video from start to finish showing me loading it, inserting it in the rifle, and firing it. And I eventually had to block these people because they were really getting vulgar. And some of these, I just found someone on my block list that is a friend of mine. I can't believe I had her blocked. I'm sure it was an accident. Paula Allen, if you see this, I do not know why I blocked you. It was an accident, I can assure you. But that's why I never see your comments. Anyway, here's a look at my block list if anybody's... Oh, hell, that's not my... Let me go to... Now, keep in mind, I've had a channel since 2006, so this is really not that big of a block list when you consider how many people, you know, how long I've been doing this. This person here was a commenter and a subscriber for many, many years, and then all of a sudden they started leaving the most horrible comments. I think they may have had a drinking problem, because when they would leave these horrible comments, they would misspell words, and some of the comments would make no sense. But you know, it's not my job to teach people to be nice. So basically, if you come here and you're a jerk, I don't have time to play with you. Where's another one? This person here, you know, I don't know why they turned into a jerk, but they did. After being a subscriber and a commenter for quite a while. That's it. But when you consider 1,200 videos, 13 years of being on YouTube, that's really not a lot of people that get blocked. Most people, I can tell, most people, if they get blocked, it's usually their first comment. Because if their first comment on my channel is ugly, argumentative, vulgar, then I just block them and don't mess with them. Like I say, I don't have time to sit around and try to coax people into being decent people. If they're not, it's, you know, go somewhere else. Eventually you'll get blocked from everybody's channel, or not. I don't care, but you're out of my life, and that's all I care about. And there is another guy here that I blocked. He's way up here. That, where is he? Where is he? I'll find him in a minute. I'll find it. Since I'm at it, I guess I'll show you my blocked words. There was this company that gathered wood plans, building plans from across the internet, and called them their own. And then they would blast channels trying to get you to go to their website. And people finally caught on to them, so they changed their name to Woodpricks. And I think they're still around. And then you have the Instagram prostitutes who try to get people to go to their Instagram and, you know, connect or buy their pictures or whatever. So I blocked the word Instagram. So if you ever use Instagram in a comment, you're going straight to spam and I'll never see it. I've had nothing but trouble with that. And if you haven't blocked the word Instagram, then you know what I mean. And then there's this company who used to be this company. So it started off at Influx, then they became Woodpricks, and then people caught on to them, and then they changed their name to Avasfa, and then Stodoys, same company. So, and just Google Woodpricks, and you'll find out it's just pages and pages and pages of complaints about them blasting the internet with links to their website. Okay, I'm done. That's all that. And I don't remember what. Oh yeah, I blocked somebody the other day that pissed me off, and they've been a subscriber for a while, and I felt bad about blocking them, so I just came and unblocked them. And maybe it was me. Maybe I was having a bad day. So I'm not above being wrong, and I thought about it again, and I'd say, well, maybe it's me. So he's unblocked. Right here. Moondine Joe. I never ever talk about other countries' presidents or premiers or leaders. And if I have mentioned another country's leader, I've never been disparaging or said disparaging things about them. This jerk thought he could talk bad about my president. And when I warned him, he came back with another smart-ass comment about my president. And I told him, adios. You don't come here and badmouth my president. This is my blocked list, and I just went in my block list, and I unblocked a couple of people that I'm going to give a second chance to. But you ever think you'd see LDS Prepper on a block list? Let me tell you why I blocked him. He would not stop coming to my channel and spamming my comment sections with links to his Berkey water filter sales link. And the video that he kept doing that to was my video on Berkey water filters failing and Berkey not replacing the filters and the problems I had getting them to replace my filters. And it was my personal experience, and he has come to that video and left comment after comment after comment, along with links to his personal Berkey water filter affiliate website. And I finally had to block him. Did you ever think you'd see LDS Prepper on someone's block list?